¿Queréis ver cómo he creado esta mesa tipo taberna rústica con detalles de tachuela? Indispensable para tu terraza o tu balcón. Así que quédate en el vídeo que te enseño.
I heard a snake hissing in the apple tree outside the courthouse in old DC. It's forget tongue tickling the tender necks of our most distinguished justices. Now if Uncle caught that snake around, he would drag the bastard to the ground. But you don't rock nobody politic if you ain't bluffing on a losing bed. Yeah. Under the floor, can't sit yourself down nowhere anymore. And though they may shy away from the light, get too close, they gon' bite. And the venom it work long and slow, and your vision is the first to go. And then your balance, sense of things, and finally empathy. What are we doing? Letting these serpents ride. You know they're gonna do it, and no one beats the tide. Yeah. Baby mama always used to say, life is precious, so keep it safe. And the doctor said it's her or the kid. Well, that's God's will for you. No, she did not survive the birth, left us sinners crying here on earth. But our most righteous friends did get down, cause they ran the doctor out of town. What are we doing? Letting these serpents ride. You know they're gonna do it, and no one beats the tide. None other than Jesus Christ. It said next Christmas when you come down there, fix all this madness and all this fear. Well, I never did hear back word one, just let the lights burn out and the water run. And I'm writing Uncle's eulogy, wishing that crazy bastard would climb the goddamn tree. What are we doing? Let letting these serpents ride. You know they're gonna do it, and no one beats the tide. Oh no, what are we doing? Letting all these serpents ride. You know they're gonna do it high, and no one beats the tide. No one beats the tide. No one beats the tide.
Y a esta altura de la película, el archivo que contenía el vídeo de cómo había quedado la mesa ha fallado, se ha borrado. Así que te la voy a enseñar cómo ha quedado en fotos.
If it was a dream, it lingered on so far beyond that honey sweet imagination. And my senses gathered up a moment